Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss how to create an inventory count in NetSuite. Navigate to Transactions, Inventory. Enter Inventory Count. On the Inventory Count page, enter the subsidiary and location. You can also add department and class. Next, enter the account to record any inventory variance that results from the count. Add the date for the inventory count. You also have the option to enter a memo and for the inventory count to provide additional details. Next, add the item you want to count. Add any additional details as needed to ensure accuracy. Click Add to include the item in the count, then click Save to finalize the inventory count entry. Click Start Count to begin the inventory counting process. Edit the inventory count by entering the quantity counted and updating the count details for each item to reflect the actual inventory on hand. Once the inventory count is finalized, click the Complete button to finish the process. The snapshot quantity represents the quantity currently recorded in the system at the time the inventory count was completed. As shown, there are 100 units of this item in good status. The adjusted quantity represents the variance between the counted quantity and the snapshot quantity. Clicking the Approve button will automatically generate an inventory adjustment, updating the recorded quantity to match the counted quantity in the system. Let's now check the item. You can now see that the quantity for the My Warehouse location has been updated to 101. In the Inventory Count view, you can see your pre-added count interval with updated last count date and next count date. Another way to create an inventory count is by navigating to Transactions, Inventory. Create Inventory Count. Add the subsidiary, location, start and end dates. This page will only display items that have a next count date set in their item records. Items without a next count date will not appear in the list. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.